Hey, welcome back to Cyber Minute. So, some doom and gloom, but the latest ransomware figures suggest that there's 4,000 attacks per day or every 2 seconds. And while we all need to continue to fortify our security and ramp up our defenses, the ransomware attacks show that this is not slowing down. So, hear me out for a minute, okay? What if we could offer an insertion into your overall cyber resiliency strategy, a proven solution to minimize the effect or the impact of an attack? So this is how it would kind of play out. You still have your backups and copies of data. Check. You have a verified recovery environment, whether it be by storage or a vault. Check. And then by procedure, you and your team decide to recover. You cannot recover data you cannot trust. You cannot recover data you cannot trust. So the missing workflow, and probably the most critical part of this, is validating your data, trusted data integrity. And this is where CyberSense comes in, to minimize the impact of an attack and to get you recovered faster without reinfecting your systems. It does turn concern to confidence, uncertainty into true resilience, and then downtime into a faster, smarter recovery. CyberSense does work with storage, backup, and all cybersecurity solutions as part of an overall cyber resiliency strategy. So keep that in mind. Hopefully, we can have that discussion. I did wear my new Index Engines t-shirt, and we are at Dell Tech World in a couple of weeks. So if you want one of these, come visit us. And total shameless plug, fully aware of it, fully owning it. But hopefully we can have that conversation. And I look forward to meeting you. Thanks.